What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you all the methods of getting the pack hourglass. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Alright, so the first method of getting pack hourglass is by purchasing it in the shop right here. You can purchase one pack hourglass for 2 shop tokens. Now let's move on to the second method. Exit your shop and go to the missions. So your missions tab will be the main way of obtaining pack hourglasses. As you can see, you have your advanced missions, and once you finish all 9 missions, you can claim 120 pack hourglasses, and it progresses with the missions. Now you also have your daily missions, so every day you need to finish these 3 missions, and you will get your daily 3 free hourglasses. Now if you go to the event tab, you can also get hourglasses by participating in the events. So as you can see, I need to participate in 3 versus battles to get 3 pack hourglasses. And that wraps up missions. So missions is the second method, and now let's move over to the third method. The third method is battles. So if you go to your battles right here, and you go to the solo battles, you can select whichever one of these, and let's take a look at the rewards. So each one of these solo battles will give you a few pack hourglasses once you complete the battle. And these are really easy to obtain. You can just create a good deck and then just auto battle on and on. So that's the third way on how you can obtain pack hourglasses. The fourth and final way that you can get pack hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket is by leveling up. So let's try to open a pack and see if it will push us over the XP limit to level up. So as you can see, for leveling up I received 12 pack hourglasses. So that's the fourth and final way you can obtain pack hourglasses in Pokemon TCG Pocket, at least at this time. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.